A Spectrum Mobile port-out PIN is a security code required to transfer your phone number to another carrier. This prevents unauthorized number transfers, protecting you from fraud. Think of it as a key that unlocks your number for your new provider. Without it, Spectrum cannot legally release your number. This aligns with FCC regulations, Rule 47 CFR 64.190, mandating secure porting processes. It's different from your account PIN used for billing. The PIN is typically 4 to 6 digits, unique, and time-sensitive, usually valid for 30 days. This is a critical step in preventing SIM swapping or number hijacking. Begin by gathering your account details. You'll need your phone number, the account holder name, and the last 4 digits of your social security number or billing zip code. Next, contact Spectrum Mobile using one of 3 methods. Call their dedicated number, use the My Spectrum app, or visit their website. If using the online method, navigate to Account, then Manage Services, and select Port Out. This brings you to the porting request page. You'll need to verify your identity. Spectrum may require 2-factor authentication sent to your email or phone number. Once verified, you'll receive your port-out PIN. Online requests are usually instant, under 5 minutes. Phone support may take up to 24 hours. Finally, provide the PIN to your new carrier. The actual porting process takes 1 to 3 business days. Submit the PIN as soon as you receive it to avoid delays.